To log in to Phantom Wallet using a recovery phrase, start by downloading and installing the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser or mobile device. Once installed, open the Phantom Wallet application and click on the Import Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is a list of words that you were given when you first created your Phantom Wallet. This phrase is used to restore your wallet and access your account. Enter the words of your recovery phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a safe place. Once you have entered your recovery phrase and created a new password, click on the Restore Wallet option. Your wallet will be restored, and you will be able to access your account and manage your digital assets. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to restore your wallet and access your account on any device. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking application. By following these steps, you can easily log in to your Phantom Wallet using your recovery phrase and manage your digital assets securely. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and digital assets, and never share your recovery phrase or password with anyone. In addition to using a recovery phrase, it is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your Phantom Wallet account, which adds an extra layer of security and helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. By taking these precautions and following best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Phantom Wallet account and protect your digital assets from potential threats.